this one, the seventh diagram, that is the half circle. The half circle. Here we have first one. It is also a simple curve. It is also a simple curve. For this also the same answer. It is also a simple curve and also a simple closed curve. The last one, eighth problem. Here we have like this. Here we don't have any curves. Here we don't have any shape also. It is a circle-like structure. The line will not join, and here we don't have diagonals also. So it not have any type of a curves. Understood now? In the first pane we solved the picture, different types of pictures we see. That pictures how which type of a curves included in that we study. Yes? We'll move on to the second main now. The second main is how many diagonals does each of the following have? Diagonals means I told you which line joins the 2 point. The line joins the 2 point is called as the diagonals. Yes, we studied about that. Now we'll see how many diagonals does each of the following have. The first one, a convex quadrilateral. A convex quadrilateral. The convex quadrilateral have how many diagonals? 2 diagonals, because it looks like this. Here we have only 2 diagonals. We have 2 diagonals. No need of drawing picture. Only writing is important. Only writing is important. Next one, a regular hexagon. Hexa means how many children? 9. So how many diagonals it have? 9. The second one is, I am writing only the answer here. 9 diagonals. 9 diagonals. Next one, a triangle. A triangle don't have any diagonals because the lines only joins the point. The line joining, after joining the lines only triangle form, because it look like this. The triangle look like this. Here the diagonals, where we have diagonals? We don't have any diagonals here. So 0. The third one is 0 diagonals. Okay, understood now? The second one, how many diagonals does each of the following picture shows? The first one, it have a 2 diagonals. The second one have a 9 diagonals. Third one have 0 diagonals. Now we move on to the third page. Third question is, what is the sum of the measure of angles of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property holds if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. Okay, what they are telling? Angle of a quadrilateral. What is the angle of a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral will be like this. Okay, the angle will be what, children? It will be 360 degree. The angle will be how much? 360 degree. Will the property holds if the quadrilateral is not convex. Not convex means what? Convex, the concave. Concave means what? The angles which have a outside diagonals. Here we have a outside diagonals. We can form a outside diagonals. But here we have a inside diagonals also. The angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to what? 360 degree. And we can form a quadrilateral angle. Yes, we can form a quadrilateral angle. Third one. Okay, understood? How we did? Fourth one, you only have to solve by yourself, children. Fourth one, try to solve it. Okay, if you not understand, we'll see it in the next class. Now turn the page number. Next page, fifth main. the three sides. If you have a three sides, which angle it is? Equilateral triangle. When we have a three sides, we have equilateral triangles. Fifth one. Answer. I am writing only answer. The three sides will be always equilateral angle. Definition you all know. The regular polygon definition you all know. You have to write it by. I will write it that also. Regular polygon definition. Fifth one. I am writing fifth one. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles are called regular polygon. Regular polygon. Okay. Now question is that the first question is three sides. When we have three sides, that will be what? When we have three sides, we have an equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Second question. When we have four sides. When we have four sides. That time it will be square. You all know this name. Square. Next one. When we have six sides. When we have six sides. When we have six sides, it will be what? It will be regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Okay? Understood now? Now write this one. Fifth one answer. Copy this in your classwork, children, directly. We'll move on to the sixth main now. Find the angle measuring x. Finding the value of x. They given a picture and they given us some of the angles there. And they are telling to find out the one angle. That is named with the x letter. That x value we have to find out. Okay? Shall we run now? We'll move on to the next one. Sixth one. Sixth one. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here they given a picture there. They given three sides and the remaining one is named as a x. We have to find out that angle. Okay, it look like this. Here we have 50 degree. Here we have x. This value we don't know. Next one we have 130 degree. Here we have 120 degree. Three angles we know. The remaining one is we have to find out. Okay. First one we'll name it as like this. A, B, C and D. We are naming it as a A, B, C, D. Now we'll write it angle D is equals to 50 degree. Angle A is equals to 130 degree. Angle B is equals to 120 degree. And angle C is equals to x. We have to find out the angle C. We don't know that. Now what we have to do? Angle D plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 360 degree. The formula of the angle sum property. Angle sum property. second problem. We have a figure like this. The seventh problem. First one we did. Second problem. We have a straight line here. We have an angle, and after that, it is like this. Okay, it is like this. They given a here, and they not mentioned the value of this one. They mentioned the value of 70 degree here. They mentioned the value here 60 degree. Okay. Now I am naming the sides now. I am naming the. This is the starting of our picture, that is O, named as the O. This is A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay, I am naming it like this. Now, angle BAO, angle BAO is equal to 90 degree, because they given a picture like this one. This shows that the angle is 90 degree. This picture shows that the angle is 90 degree. Now, angle B is equals to, what is angle B? X. Angle C is equals to 70 degree. Angle D is equals to how much? 60 degree. Yes, we have this one. Now, this is the one line. OAD is the line. Line segment. Line segment. Now, angle BAO plus angle plus x I will write is equals to 180 degree. Plus x is equals to 180 angle 1. We have to find out this also. We have to find out this also. So I am writing here 1. 90 degree plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. So angle 1 is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Minus is what we get, children? We get exactly 90 degree. Angle 1 also are 90 degree. We got 90 degree. Now we have to apply angle sum property to this. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. We are applying that to this. Now we will apply the angle sum property. Angle sum property is equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. Okay. Now, angle A is 90 degree. Angle B is x. Angle C is how much? 70 degree. Angle D is 60 degree. So is equals to 360 degree. Okay, I will write this up. This one I am writing up. 90 x I am taking out x degree plus add these three numbers. What we get? 220. 220 is equals to 360. Is equals to 360 degree. X I will take down out. 360 degree minus 220 minus 220 minus, now how much we get? We get 140 degree. X what we got here? 140 degree. And here we got 90 degree. Here also we got what, children? 90 degree. There also we got 90 degree. First what we have to do? We have to name the picture first. After that, naming which all angles come in that, we have to write that. After that, they given an exterior angle. We have to find out the interior angles. So we have to find out the interior angles first. After finding the interior angle, we are applying the angle sum property of quadrilateral. We are applying that. In that, we have to write all the angles and find out the value of x. We did that. We got 140 has our angle, the x angle. Okay. next class.